With the old man's 170. Used to be my saw. I got it for a little bit of lemon and stuff. Gave it to my dad. Chain loose, like I said, I think the oil pump's going out on it. She got a nice muffler mod. 3/8. Master control levers. Wore out too. It likes to stick and act goofy. And there you get the air cleaner and spark plug, and oh, that's tree falling. Just that roof down there making noise. I haven't ran it in a few days, so I'm gonna fire it up here. You got your chain, brake, your fuel, your oil. Put that fuel in it. Throttle. Missing a bar nut. It's pulling a 14-inch. I don't know if that's gonna focus. It's pulling a 14-inch, 43 gauge stihl ms170 chain, 14-inch bar, stock, low kickback, perfect for lemon. Let's see if I can get the fire up here. It don't run too good. Got your something on there that helps us. I think it's got low compression too. Like I say, it's 2-year-old saw. It's 2-year-old saw. It's cut 50, 60 truckloads of firewood. It's cut single-handedly with those two saws there, probably cut combined. As far as firewood goes, I'd say probably more than that. Damn noises all around me today. It's been a good old saw though. I like it. That don't weigh nothing. I think it weighs something like 8 pounds. Not bad. Not bad at all.